Hey everybody, so today I wanted to share another open source tool with you guys for LabVIEW. So this is going to be a tool for storing secrets. So this is leveraging, and this is a Windows specific tool FYI, but this is using the Microsoft Secret Store library. So basically a LabVIEW wrapper for the different commands you can use with that. And so this doesn't come out of the box installed on your system, so it does need to be installed. I have in this, and this is all open source, like I said. If you're interested, the repository is in the description for the video. You can go pull this. In that repository, I have included a PowerShell script you can just run that handles the installation. So I can pull up that PowerShell script for you. So basically, if you run this script, it's going to first check if this has been run as an administrator or not. And if it hasn't been run as an administrator, it's going to prompt you to run as an administrator, and then it's going to then start processing the rest of these commands. So this is going to install the Microsoft PowerShell Secret Management and the Microsoft PowerShell Secret Store. And then it's going to import the modules. It runs this unlock secret store command, and basically in your PowerShell terminal, when this command executes, it's going to ask you for an initial password for your secret store. So you'll set that password. You need to remember that password, and then it's going to close your PowerShell script out. And that's pretty much all you need to do for installation, is basically just run this PowerShell script, and that's it. And set your password, and remember what that password is. Once you've set that password, you can then start to use these secret store functions. So for your secret store, you can have any amount of vaults in that secret store. So I can have a single vault, or I can have multiple vaults, and I can change the different permissions on those vaults. So one vault could be user specific, so only a certain Windows user can access that vault. Or I can make them system accessible, so anyone who logs onto that computer can access that vault. And they can actually also be accessed remotely as well. And now in each vault, I can store any amount of secrets as well. So I can have a single secret, or I can have lots of secrets. And those are just referenced by name. So these functions allow you to create vaults, delete vaults, create secrets in those vaults, and retrieve the secrets and write the secrets. Kind of starting off, you're going to use this construct function always. So this is where you're going to construct the class, and it's going to have you enter your initial password. So this would be the password that you set when you were running that PowerShell script to install everything. And there is a function as well, just FYI, for setting the password. So if you need to change your password, you can use this. You just need to enter your old password and what you want the new password to be, and it will change the password. And yeah, so to highlight kind of some of this, I do have just a little demo of what these functions look like in action. So here we're using that initialize function to set our password. Then we're going to create a vault. So I'm just creating a vault named demo vault. And then this is just returning a list of all of the vaults that are accessible in that secret store. If we don't have anything else created, this would only return an array that just has demo vault in it, but it also could have other vaults. This create secret function is going to create a secret by name. So let me pull this up. So you've got a secret name. So my name is super secret password. And then I actually have the actual secret, which in my case is just password. So this is going to store a secret. And I actually don't have the vault wired up. So let's connect that. So it's stored in the demo vault. I do need to make a few changes to these. I'll be pushing that shortly just to make some of these terminals required so that doesn't happen. But yeah, so we've got we're creating a secret called super secret password, and the value of that secret is just password. Then we're going to read this secret by name. So it basically just wants us to pass in the secret name and the vault name, and it's going to return the value of that secret there. So if this is successful, if a super secret password is found in vault demo vault, then it's going to return the value of that, which in our case here is password. Then we can remove the secret. So I can delete this secret, which is just asking for a secret name and a vault, and it will remove it from that vault. I can also delete the vault, and I can relist all the vaults to show that's been deleted. So this example is also in the repository if you want to just run it. And yeah, that's pretty much it to the API. So you can store all sorts of secrets. So these could be things like API tokens, they could be user credentials and passwords, they could be keys, they can be all sorts of stuff. Basically just the goal is to have a secure way to store various secrets. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, this is all open source if you're interested in it. The link to this is available in the description to the video. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in.
Canon Controls is your gateway to mastering LabVIEW. Dive into programming for data acquisition, industrial communications, and manufacturing automation. Explore how to enhance your projects with cybersecurity best practices. Join the journey to elevate your skills and secure your systems with every episode.